Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing obstacles so you can reach the plugs quickly. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts, then take off the plastic engine cover and any intake pieces blocking the coil packs. Use a 10 mm to remove bolts and keep fasteners organized. This saves time when reassembling. Once the area is clear, label each coil and wire 1 through 6 so you reinstall them in the exact same order. Now you're ready to unbolt coil packs and access the spark plugs safely. You'll remove coil packs one at a time to avoid confusion. Unbolt each coil and pull it straight up. If the boot sticks, wiggle gently, never pry. Inspect boots and wiring for damage, replace any compromised parts. Next, blow compressed air into the plug well to clear debris. This prevents dirt from falling into the cylinder. Fit a 5/8 spark socket on an extension, seat it on the plug, and turn slowly counterclockwise to avoid shearing. Once out, compare the old plug to the new for correct gap and type. You install the new plugs by hand first to avoid cross-threading. Make sure the gap matches specifications. Once hand-seated, use a torque wrench to tighten to roughly 20 lb/ft or the factory spec. This prevents damage and ensures proper sealing. Reinstall each coil and reconnect its wiring in the order you labeled. Reattach intake pieces and the battery negative. Start the engine and listen for smooth idle. If you hear misfires or roughness, recheck plug torque, verify coil connectors, and measure coil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.